Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you've recently got the Samsung DW80CG5451SR Dishwasher or you're using it for the first time, it might feel a bit confusing with all the buttons, cycles, and options on the control panel. Many users load the dishes but aren't sure which settings to choose or how to properly start a cycle. The best thing is that once you understand the basic operation, this dishwasher is very easy to use and delivers excellent cleaning results. In just a few simple steps, you can run it efficiently and get spotless dishes every time. Try these. Step 1. Load the dishes properly into the racks. Step 2. Add dishwasher detergent into the detergent compartment. Step 3. Press the power button to turn on the dishwasher. Step 4. Select your preferred wash cycle. Step 5. Choose additional options like dry or sanitize if needed. Step 6. Close the door and press start to begin the cycle.